Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC Diagnostic Trouble Code P0685 indicates an issue with the air-fuel ratio AF sensor's heater power source in the 2022 Honda Civic. This code is triggered when the power source relay circuit for the AF sensor heater is found to be open. The AF sensor, sensor 1, typically located in the exhaust system before the catalytic converter, plays a crucial role by providing information necessary for the engine control module, ECM, to adjust the fuel-air mixture, optimizing performance and emissions. When the circuit is compromised, the powertrain control module, PCM, recognizes an abnormality and stores the corresponding DTC. It is essential for technicians to thoroughly diagnose this issue, as the AF sensor is integral for proper engine management and fuel efficiency. The DTC P0685 points specifically to a malfunctioning air-fuel ratio AFF sensor heater. The AFF sensor is vital for measuring the concentration of oxygen in the exhaust, allowing the engine to optimize the air-fuel mixture for maximum efficiency. In this case, the issue arises when the power source relay for the sensor's heater circuit is identified as being open, meaning there is a break in the circuit preventing electrical flow. This failure is typically detected by the powertrain control module, PCM, which monitors various inputs to ensure proper engine operation. The PCM, located within the vehicle, processes data from several sensors, and when it detects that the AF sensor is not receiving adequate power, it triggers the DTC. This error can affect fuel efficiency and emissions, making timely troubleshooting essential. The potential causes of DTC P0685 include various electrical and mechanical failures. One primary issue might be an open circuit in the power supply relay circuit of the AF sensor heater. This can occur if there is a break in wiring or a loose connection within the circuit. Additionally, a faulty AF sensor itself could cause this trouble code if it fails to operate appropriately despite receiving the correct power. Lastly, the PCM can also be a culprit if it has internal failures or faults affecting its ability to communicate properly with the AF sensor. Each of these causes needs to be systematically tested to locate the root issue efficiently. When DTC P0685 is triggered, several symptoms may be observed that indicate problems with the AF sensor. The most immediate sign is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a potential issue. Additionally, since the AF sensor plays a crucial role in fuel-to-air ratio management, drivers may experience poor fuel economy as the engine struggles to maintain optimal performance levels. This malfunction can also result in increased emissions, as the vehicle may not be able to burn fuel efficiently. Recognizing these symptoms can lead to timely diagnostics and repairs, helping maintain vehicle performance and regulatory compliance. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0685 involves starting the engine to observe any preliminary issues. Once the engine is running, the technician should inspect the AF sensor relay for any signs of malfunction. This inspection can be critical because a failing relay could be the cause of the power circuit being open. The technician must ensure that the relay is operational and that there is a clear pathway for electrical flow to the AF sensor heater. If the relay appears intact, testing should continue to further diagnose the underlying issue. The second step in the troubleshooting process is to conduct a test on the PGM-FI sub-relay, which is crucial for the operation of the AF sensor. This involves ensuring that the relay is functioning correctly and is able to provide power to the sensor heater. Following this, an external circuit inspection is necessary, particularly focusing on the IGPS LAF circuit related to the AF sensor heater. This inspection process will help identify any open wires or faults within the external circuit. that may lead to an open condition, confirming whether the fault lies within the relay itself or the wiring connected to it. In troubleshooting step 3, the focus shifts to the powertrain control module PCM. If prior inspections indicate that the PGM-FI subrelay functions correctly and the external circuits are intact, the technician should examine the PCM. This inspection includes checking the module's outputs to verify whether it can send the necessary power to the AF sensor heater. Any damages or faults in the PCM could lead to incorrect readings and failure to operate. Triggering DTC P0685. If defects are found within the PCM, further action will be necessary to replace or reprogram the module based on manufacturer specifications. After completing repairs related to DTC P0685, it is essential to perform a final verification to ensure the issue has been resolved. This involves clearing the stored DTC codes from the PCM, which will help reset the system for new diagnostics. Following this, a test drive of the vehicle should be conducted to monitor the performance of the AF sensor and ensure that no further codes are triggered. During this drive, the technician will pay close attention to the behavior of the engine and any warning signals. If no additional issues arise and the vehicle performs normally, the repair can be deemed successful. Preventive maintenance is crucial in avoiding recurring issues with DTC P0685. Regular checks of the AF sensor can help detect any irregularities early on, allowing for timely repairs before they escalate into significant problems. Additionally, inspecting the wiring and connectors associated with the AF sensor heater is vital, as these can deteriorate over time or become corroded, leading to open circuits. Making these inspections a routine part of maintenance can prolong the lifespan of the sensors, ensure the vehicle operates efficiently, and adhere to environmental standards. In conclusion, understanding the role of the air-fuel ratio, AF sensor, and its heater is vital for maintaining optimal vehicle performance. The DTC P0685 indicates an open circuit condition in the power source for the AF sensor heater, which can lead to fuel inefficiency and increased emissions if not addressed. Regular monitoring of sensor performance and vehicle diagnostics is essential to catch potential problems early. When issues arise, a structured troubleshooting approach will guide technicians in efficiently diagnosing the underlying causes. Promptly addressing DTC P0685 and making necessary repairs enhances vehicle reliability and compliance with emissions regulations. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.